Hey guys, I'm Chef Team Max. Welcome back to my channel. Right now, I've got Uma with me.
Hi guys.
So you might have met her on some of the other videos that I've done with Uma. Uma and I used to work together for many years. She was my pastry chef, and she is a master at making chutneys, jams, and curries. So I bring her on as my special guest to give me some insight and to help you guys out too at home. So today we have something really neat. I know we're down in Florida, so right now we're in the middle of mango season. So people bring us mangoes. There's mangoes falling in our yard.
Delicious
So
mangoes.
ton of mangoes. So you got to do something with them, right?
Yeah. So many things you can do.
There is, right? And today we're going to make, one of my favorite is this simple kind of spicy mango chutney that you make. And it's about the subtleness of this. So, hey, you guys, if you're not subscribing, make sure you click subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give her a thumbs up and click that bell and ring that thing, and we'll send you announcements of future stuff coming up. So we'll be right back with this beautiful mango chutney. See you in a second. Okay, you guys, we're back here. We're going to make this mango chutney. So tell me, how are we going to start this? You're going to start the sugar first, right?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to turn our pan on, right? I got your sugar here.
We'll make a sugar syrup, start with the sugar.
Okay, so go ahead. How much are you going to put in? While you do that, I'm going to take our mango. Now you can see we peeled these. Now you're going to put in 1 tablespoon.
A couple of, because sugar it gives that sweet and sour sauce that we need to make. That's why it's.
So 3 tablespoons. So and she can add more if she wants to later. You can keep that. But 3 tablespoons. Now on the mango, I've peeled these. You want to just cut down the side of the mango, like this.
A little bit of water.
Right? Because the seed in there. Now you're gonna put some water in there, right?
Yes.
Make sure you keep it trapped. How much?
Just 5.
You guys keep an eye on her because she just sneaks some in there. There's 2, 3.
About quarter cup.
Okay, so that was actually 3 and 3. Okay. Now with this, you want me to just dice this mango, right?
Yes.
So I've got a nice.
You can use up all and a little bigger.
Like bigger than that.
Because they shrink up as.
Okay, because they're going to shrink up. Okay. So with this, I'm going to cut it a little bit bigger, which is easier for me, which I like that. Right. So there's going to be different wedging style, right? They don't have to be perfectly square.
These are perfect.
These are perfect. You see, I'm perfect.
Mangoes should be semi-ripe, not too ripe, or they'll mush up. The chutney will be like like a puree.
It's like too much like a
want
puree.
The texture semi-ripe. Shouldn't be raw or super hard.
Okay, so you don't want a green mango, but you don't want one that fell on the ground is ultra ripe either. You want just perfect. You guys can see this mango here, how it's nice. It's got a nice consistency.
Yes, it's right now the season is great. June, July, August, it's the best, right?
June, July, August has such nice mango for sure. So tell me, what are your favorite mangoes to use and varieties? Because a lot of times you guys will go to the store, there'll be all types of mango, right?
Yeah.
So
the favorite mangoes are like homegrown mangoes.
Yeah.
The supermarket are not that great. They have too much fiber in it.
Well, because they have the cheaper mangoes, right? Like some of the good mangoes, like the Namdok, right? That's a great medium.
Those are great. Keith, and there's so many names.
Yeah, your ice cream one is a really good one that you have, right?
Valencia Pride, that is growing.
Valencia Pride. Julie Mango is a good one too.
Hayden, and there's Julia. And there are so many, but where I come from, Pakistan, they have 50, 60 varieties. So they're like very fragrant, and there's so many different kinds. So, but this is best for making chutneys. Our supermarket mangoes is perfect.
Supermarket mangoes are I mean
nice.
Because
and
for
backyard mango, if you have, will do great.
Yeah, because a lot of times in the grocery stores they pick the mangoes very green and they let them cook in there. Now if you want to go higher or lower than that, you can just push the higher. Okay. Is that one?
Yes. Got
okay.
Okay. Thanks.
And then
I added a little water to.
Did you add more?
No,
same amount. So 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and we've got 5 mangoes here.
It depends how sweet they are. I might add more sugar. If it's sourish, then more sugar.
So that's what I like about her flavors. She doesn't say, and this is I've talked to you guys about this before when we cook, is that there's no specific recipe. It's about the flavor profile, right? It's like you want it to be the certain amount of Sure. Oh!
It's okay. Leave that.
Hey, that happens in that.
enough.
Throw in the sink over there,
We
Oma.
have enough.
See, mistakes do happen in my kitchen,
It's a
right?
kitchen.
Now, when she was young and cook,
Yeah.
and first starting with me as my pastry chef, I would have yelled at her for doing that so much. Oma,
I'm
what are
not
you
the
doing?
Young, he's the young one.
I'm the young one now, right?
older than him. It's okay.
Exactly, right?
So I'm going to taste. It will give me a taste of the
Okay.
how much sugar in it.
You want to taste how much sugar?
It's good.
It's
yeah.
good, huh?
For now, yeah. Because you don't want it sweet. It's a sweet and sour and spicy preparation.
And you guys, let me take a look at these two mangoes now. You see this mango? See how this one is less
should be
ripe and
good.
it's a little greener? And then we have this one that's dark orange, right? So those, you know, that's really cool. Now, you know, that's
have
where you
some
want a
ginger.
blend of both of these is fine to have. It's okay to have some ripe and some less ripe.
Yeah, I think this is good.
So you have ginger on here on this plate.
About
She's grating
like a teaspoon, yeah, for this much. Yeah, you don't want a lot. You just want enough to give nice back note of ginger.
Just a back note of
Yeah.
ginger. So
But
you would
you
say
like
it's like a
more,
half
you
an inch of ginger probably,
you can add
right?
a little
Here,
more.
you can use
If
that
you
if
like
want.
ginger, then you can add a little bit more.
Okay.
But that it goes with mango somehow, ginger.
Mango and ginger
Yeah.
seem like they would go
Yeah.
good together, right?
Little bit salt, pink Himalaya salt, or any kosher salt, or
Kosher salt's
Yes.
fine. Yep.
just a little bit now, because later on we can adjust salt later. Okay, see they get.
I brought the
little
pink
soft.
stuff in because I know you
Yeah.
like your pink jewelry, Oma. So,
Yeah, yeah. Pink
so you have your
Himalaya.
pink salt, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then so you guys can see. Let me show them really quick while you're stirring that how we do this mango. So you guys see how I just cut one way and I cut back the other way, right?
Yes.
Now what are you gonna add in there? You're gonna add the apple
Cider.
vinegar in there now?
Not
So
too
how much?
Let's see.
1 tablespoon?
For now.
1
I'll
tablespoon for
adjust
now?
later. We
And then
can
later
always
you're cooking.
add vinegar at the end.
Okay,
Because-
so let me show them this real quick. You see how this is oblong like this? That's where your seed is in there. You can kind of see it, it's going this way. So when you hold it, you cut this along the seed, you see, and I get that beautiful piece like that. So this way, we cut in, we get another beautiful piece, and then I cut the ends off like this, okay? Now the rest of this mango, there's still edible pieces off of it, and you guys could shave that down.
It's good, right?
But it's good just to eat like that. So
Yeah.
I always keep these pieces in for after,
Yeah.
and that's the chef snack, right?
You can use your softer mango toward the halfway of cooking. It gives a nice flavor too.
Yeah.
So,
No,
yeah.
I think this one, you guys can see this dark orange one.
Yeah.
When I picked the mangoes out, I probably got it from 2 different trees. That might have
Yeah.
fell from a different
Yeah.
tree. So
so that's okay
that's
too.
a different variety you can use, right? You can have
Sometimes I've
having-
done this. I had mango juice, good mango juice. Like
Right.
that. I added little bit for boosting up the flavor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you could, that way you have like sweetness coming from
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
and the other one might be a little bit more acidic,
Flavor-wise
right?
more. Yeah.
So it's kind of nice.
sometimes
Just
they-
like we talk about in cooking, right, Uma? It's a balance
it is a
between
balance.
sweet,
Yeah.
sour, salty,
Yes,
spicy, right?
This will be great. See,
So while she's stirring this, you guys, I'm going to wash my hands real quick. We'll be right back.
I'm going.
Okay, you guys, so we're back right now, and this is like just only been a minute. I've just really washed my hands really quick.
Yeah.
And you can see the mangoes still have form, right?
Yeah.
And you're just stirring them in,
And
right?
they got tender. I tasted it.
They tenderize.
Yeah.
Now you want to
add spices.
you want to add spices.
Yeah.
Now what are you adding in there?
Cumin seeds, they're toasted already.
Okay, let's see how much. So let's do it this. Let's do it.
Maybe like a quart. This is 1/8 or quarter.
This is a quarter.
Okay, just
So we'll
a
do quarter.
quarter. Yeah.
Okay. So a quarter teaspoon
Halfway the cooking, we doing this.
halfway through the cooking.
And
Quarter-
this just a pinch.
Okay, pinch. So this is onion seeds, right?
Yeah, it's called Nigella seeds.
Nigella
Yes,
seeds.
yeah.
But you guys believe this is like
Yeah,
super
yes,
healthy,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like what happens?
3 seeds each day. They say it's good for all diseases for your health.
I just had like 8. So does that mean I'm good for like a month?
No.
It doesn't work that way. Okay.
But it's good. It's strong too. That's why they recommend eat less. But if for this preparation, it's
Wow, it is strong. It's onion seeds, so it's
Yeah.
super strength to it.
and then we have some
Cayenne. Okay, you put like here.
Just, yeah.
Probably
this much is
1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon.
8 teaspoons if you don't like spicy.
Wow, 8 teaspoon, dude. Our 4/4 teaspoon we're putting in there.
You want
So that's quite a bit of cayenne. Now, I want it spicy.
Little
So
bit.
this is actually, Uma's in Pakistan visiting her mother. She brought back this Pakistani red pepper. Now this is like a cayenne, but super spicy. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit of that in.
Like a pinch. Yeah.
Right. If you wanted it even more spicy,
maybe
you could add more cayenne, but we put a 1/4 and that's pretty spicy already.
Yes. And cumin, this garam masala, a pinch.
You
the
put-
one we made.
You put cumin
earlier.
already, didn't we?
Yes.
No. Okay, cumin we put already. So what is this?
Garam masala.
Well, let's put a garam masala. We're gonna put.
Just 8 teaspoons. It's strong.
Okay.
Spice level.
So an eighth-
For this much, it's
An
enough.
1/8 teaspoon of that.
Yes.
Salt we put, right?
This will make about like a 4 cups of chutney.
Yeah. So I'll have all the spices and the amounts listed below, you guys, on your notes in there. And
So
also
this is
probably where you
simple,
can
yeah.
get some of the stuff that you haven't heard about, like the onion seed. I'll have a link to Amazon on that so you can
I'll
check it
slow
out.
it down. So I'm going to simmer it just to
That's good.
dissipate all the flavor together. The
So-
spices need to cook a little bit.
So you let that cook a little bit.
Yeah, just like 5-6 minutes.
All right.
We can taste in between if I have to adjust the acidity or sugar.
Okay, so
That's
this is a big point, you guys.
Yeah.
Is like she's always going to be adding to find the right amount of sugar.
I think it's good. Think more sugar.
Wow.
Sugar or no? You good?
No, that doesn't need anything.
Yeah. What sugar does preserve the chutney for longer time. That's why.
But
Needs
those
a
are
little
sweet.
salt.
I think salt too.
Salt, yeah.
That's what I was
Add-
thinking. So
add
we,
a teeny bit.
so I'm gonna put.
Sprinkle, yeah. Yes. Let's see.
Which you guys are thinking, oh, you're making a mango chutney. Does it need that much salt? It does, because the salt brings out other
Yeah.
flavors, right?
Yes. Salt is crucial. Sometimes I forget, I add all my spices, then I say, what's missing? Oh, salt.
Salt is missing, right?
Yes.
So how much longer do you think this got to go? It's done.
Just 5 minutes and it's done.
5
Basically,
minutes.
it's done. When it comes together, bubbling, it gets a little glazy. That's what it's a sign.
All right, so we're gonna let this cook for a couple more minutes,
Just
and we'll
like
be
a jam.
we'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're back, and you can see it's simmered. It's got a nice shine to it. Your mango hasn't completely disintegrated, right? You still
Yeah.
got nice chunks
Yeah.
there, right?
Some are, but it's okay.
Yes, some of them need to
Yeah.
soften up,
Chutney,
right?
It's like that. Yeah.
And that's what's cool about this. We can turn it off now, right?
Yes, it's come together.
It's
and
come
that's it.
together.
Yeah.
So let me grab this, and I'll let you like spoon it out for me. No, you
Okay.
stay on that side.
Okay.
Stay on that side here.
Sure.
And then what I'm gonna
Okay.
do is do this. If you can spoon it out for me
Okay.
into this bowl, right? We can stop the cooking. So this is the key too, right? When it's done like this, we want to stop the cooking, right?
Yes.
We don't want it to sit in the hot
No.
cast iron pan for a long time.
Take it out immediately.
So
yeah,
and you can
that's it.
set there.
That's
So in this, you guys, you can see that you've got nice pieces of mango that are still little, like somewhat structured, and then some have disappeared. The
It's
ones that were
okay.
like kind of ripe,
It's okay.
they disappear, and that's great, isn't it? Right? It makes this
Yeah.
beautiful composure.
When it cools down, it becomes like a jam. And when it chills, in fridge, next day it's better. As it ages, it gets better.
This is so good. It's really what I remember about her making this flavor
This is
for
a
me.
simple way of making it.
And when it cools sometime, one of her secrets too, when it cools sometime, she tastes it again. And if it needs
Yeah.
a little acidity, you can put just like a teaspoon
you can,
of
yeah.
a tiny
Vinegar,
bit,
yeah.
right, of vinegar back on it.
Vinegar preserves it.
Helps preserve it for
Yeah,
longer
like
in your fridge.
Any pickles.
And we'll put this in a mason jar, put it in the fridge, and always have. What's
Yes.
your favorite thing to have with mango chutney?
It can be with like a spicy shrimp curry or a fish curry
Ooh.
or a chicken curry with the plain rice.
Hey,
And
we're
this
going to be
one's-
doing shrimp curry soon on one of our next videos, so you guys might want to stay tuned for that in the future. But thanks for joining us. Welcome Uma to the kitchen, and you know what? We're excited to have her back, and stay tuned for more stuff. So we'll see you back in my kitchen. I'm Chef Dean Max.